Hi, let's face it, life is about change, and mathematics quantifies it beautifully. Calculus can open our eyes to change at the smallest scales and shows how finite processes can approach the infinite. But rather than focus on the mathematics of change, I want to spend this week reflecting on how mathematics has changed me. Math has changed what I notice. It's changed how certain I need to be. It's changed where I place my effort and even what I allow myself to hope for. Mathematician Paul Lockhart describes mathematics as a search for beauty and understanding that leads us to a higher ground and a more encompassing view. I just love that image. When we climb to higher ground, the world below has not changed, but our view of it has. We see hidden connections. We recognize how one path meets another. What seemed random begins to reveal a pattern. And this is one way that math has changed me. Before learning a new mathematical idea, I often cannot imagine what there is to see. So consider proving that the square root of 2 is irrational. Now, at first, the question may not seem important or even really interesting. The proof can feel difficulty and foggy. How could we possibly prove it? And then something clicks. The contradiction comes into focus. The waters part. You see that it must be true. And after seeing it, you cannot unsee it. This is more than just acquiring information. Information adds to what we know. Understanding can change the person doing the knowing. Lockhart writes that mathematics is a way of constantly evolving and changing myself. Becoming, get this, reborn as a person who sees in a new way and cannot unsee. That is much larger than the vision of mathematics that many of us encounter in school. Math is often presented as a collection of procedures. Memorize this formula, follow these steps, and then find the correct answer. Instead, Lockhart describes a playground of the mind, a place to explore patterns, to make connections, and discover unexpected beauty. I'll be honest, the more mathematics I learn, the more I understand what he means. Math invites me to pause and to look more closely. It makes me curious about structures beneath the surface. It reminds me that the first view is rarely the only possible view. It may not be the most revealing one. So this week, I will explore how math has taught me to find connections that enlarge my imagination and change how I think about abstraction and fairness. How it's challenged my beliefs about growth and connected me to a community. And finally, how it's shaped what I allow myself to hope for. The world is still the world, and I am still me. But mathematics keeps leading me to higher ground. Each time I climb, I return as someone who sees a little differently.